Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sage Universe token. Now the Sage Universe token is trending right now on DEX Screener, very popular token today. Right now is trending number 3. This token basically just came out 13 hours ago. It is up a crazy amount. Now sometimes these tokens are up crazy amounts because they're sketchy, so just be aware of that right off the bat. There could be some sort of issue here in their audit where the contract is not secure. Maybe, I'm not saying it is a scam, but it could potentially be a scam. Tokens aren't always up for the best reasons, or it could be just up because, of great reasons. But we're going to have a look at this token here in a second. We're going to talk about how to get it. We're going to check for audits, all that type of stuff in just one sec. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I was just looking at it on DEX Screener here, and it says ticker symbol is SAGE, but then when you punch in the exact same contract address into DEX Tools, it says ticker symbol is SU. And then also on DEX Tools, it has the name as S Universe. And then on DEX Screener, it says Sage Universe. So I'm just going to, whatever, either ticker symbol is Sage or it is SU. Now on their Soul Scan, it says ticker symbol is Sage. So, probably go by the Soul Scan. Now they're on CoinGecko as well. Their webpage is sageuniverse.meme. They have 9 decimal places on this token. Token price right now is 3.8 cents per token. Looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary, so it's about 35 tokens less than that right now. Their market cap is $38.4 million, and they have 8,405 holders so far. And it says that this token's pair was actually just created 13 hours ago on Raydium. So that's a pretty crazy amount. And on DEX Screener, it says this token is up 1 million%, which is pretty crazy. And 1 million%. They have $714,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, also, though, it's up a crazy amount. And it just came out 13 hours ago. But there's already a community claim here on DEX Screener. And it says the community claimed ownership of this token on July 4th. It says community claim because scammers update the token info before real owners. So they're saying, I guess, the owners were not doing a good job of getting rid of these scammers and letting people know that, hey, this is scammers' information, not ours. The scammers were one step ahead of the devs. And so I guess the community took over. That's what it says here. Sage Universe combines the magic of memes with the wisdom of cosmos. So either way, this token is up an insane amount, but just be aware it could be for sketchy reasons again. But on DEX Tools here, we could have a look at, on DEX Tools, they do have quick audits that you could review, but one's by Quick Intel Security here. So it says here they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, scam risk undetected, and no other risks. Keep in mind, though, that is only a quick audit. It is not a full audit, and you should always look out for full audits and thoroughly do your own research before investing. Now, it says, Sage Universe combines the magic of memes with the wisdom of the cosmos. Together we'll explore new dimensions of fun, wisdom, and financial freedom. Here you will find the path to a better life, a greater you, where your wallet is not the only thing that expands. Now, all sorts of cool artwork on their webpage here of this Sage Universe character here. It says, the Cosmos meme. Say hello to Sage, your crypto friend, ready to take the Solana ecosystem by storm. In an era where crypto is becoming more fragmented, Sage is here to bring you peace of mind by being your trusted companion to new gained wealth and knowledge. Lots of cool memes on their page here. Pretty cool page too, the way it scrolls and everything like that. It's got a menu on the sidebar. It says, LP burned, mint and ownership revoked, just chill. Welcome to the Sageonomics. 100% LP burned. Why? Because Sage believes in the power of community will bring us together to a higher market cap. Iron sharpens irons. Friends sharpen friends. And then it has how to buy. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you could you could get a Trust wallet, Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on sageuniverse.meme, you would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. I don't see anything about taxes though. And they do have frequently asked questions like, who is Sage? Well, who is Sage? Sage is a meme coin created by CryptoSage, who is the face of this project. He's putting his face and reputation on the line to make it into a success. Well, according to the community claim, I guess they're saying he hasn't been doing a good job. I don't know. Sage is on the Solana blockchain. How can I buy Sage? What is the price prediction? It says not financial advice. And why is Sage so handsome? Secret beauty technique revealed when we cross $1 billion market cap. You'll be able to find out why this character is so handsome. He's been featured on Business Insider, Yahoo Finance. He's on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Screener. So there's a big disclaimer at the bottom. Always read the disclaimers. They have a Telegram you can follow at Sage_Universe. They have 1,082 Telegram members on there. So go check this out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.